guys, welcome back to another episode of Angling Focused. In today's episode, I'm going to be fishing for migratory salmon. Right now, the main populations of salmon that's running up the river right behind me is going to be king salmon. But then I have heard also a report of Atlantic salmon being caught, and of course Coho are already coming up the river. As you can see here, water is quite murky today. It has been raining quite heavily in the past few days, and today is the last day that we're going to have a little bit of rain here, about 1 millimeters of rain throughout the day. So not so much, but because of the rain from the previous days, water is still quite murky. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to catch this salmon in cloudy and dirty water. Alright, let's get into it. See a lot of Chinook salmon. Like you can see here, they are by far the majority of fish coming out the river at this time of the year. So I'm going to keep walking up rivers to see if I can find a Coho salmon or even a steelhead. But I'm going to pass up this guy right here. Could it be Coho? Whoa. Damn it. Oh, the troublesome fish. Okay, buddy. I'm gonna release you in a moment. Hook by the nose again. Really happy about that. Okay. Can fish. Landed fish. Alright, buddy. Time for you to go. Oh. Whoa. Okay, this is a big guy. Damn, this is gonna be a long fight. Oh god. Oh. Yeah, the bead is right in the mouth there. Wow. Okay. Thank you for the fight. Appreciate it very much. Off you go. Whoa. I seem to be learning new things every time I come out fishing, and today is no different. So in the beginning of the day, with the water being murky and very dirty, as you can see here behind me, they're quite colored. And because of that, I thought that the beads that I'm going to be having success with are going to be chartreuse color. So in the beginning of the day, I'm using both 8mm and 10mm beads, and nothing really happened, and I couldn't get any bite out of the chartreuse color. And if you see the past few fish that I've been showing you in the video, I've been catching them on my usual peach color 8mm beads. Well, I guess the water looks dirty to me, but certainly not dirty enough for the fish to see this natural color bead, and so I'm gonna stick with that for the rest of the day. Oh yeah, Hook him good, bite him out. Definitely not the biggest fish, but really feisty. Okay, settle down, right by the mouth. Gonna just unhook him. Easy. Okay, buddy, don't move, don't move, don't move. Oh, wow. They start to change color a little bit, not as chrome as I would like them to be, but still, a coho nonetheless. There you go. There you go, pretty fish. Alright, keep them wet. This is coho. I haven't seen it yet, but judging from the size, a smaller fish, and how they fight, this is definitely coho. Let's see if I'm right. We'll be super happy to get this one. Okay. Okay. Okay, he's off. Another good day on the water. I caught a few fish here. Most of them are Chinook salmon and Coho salmon that landed for me. Pretty happy about that. Oh man, I have to say they're usually the smallest when you compare to the average size of a Chinook salmon, for example, but man, they give such a great fight for a small fish. And it's definitely easier to land as far as the size is concerned. Can't believe that today the bead color that surprised me the most was my usual pink bead, the usual natural color. Who would have thought? Because I specifically prepared this chartreuse color bead for kind of day that we have today. I even used roe bag in a chartreuse color, but none of that was working. I guess you never stop learning when you come out fishing. I hope you enjoy watching this episode, and as always guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.